Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh Rossi. So in this video, I want to show you quickly the lighting setup, and I'll show you some of the behind the scenes that we did as well. So here, if you look at, let me zoom up on this because this one's the easiest to see. Basically, my go-to lighting setup is two lights behind the subject, which would be, let me just sort of draw these lights. So basically, there's two lights behind that are kind of like rim lights. They're blaring light right here, and you can see on the side of her face that that's some of the rim light, and then you can see over here this area is some of the other rim light right there. So these are all blaring lights behind her. It's sort of like a 45-degree angle. And then I have one in the front that's right sort of in this area right here, covering about right there, and it's lighting her up. It's sort of like giving her that fill light right in the front. You can see that. And so that's why it's darker on one side, is because the light in the front is directional. It's still at a 45-degree angle. And so I do that on purpose because it creates a lot of depth. A lot of times photographers will shoot with a super big light right in front, and it'll make it just creates no depth whatsoever. It makes everything super washed out. And so that's why you always want to keep your lights at like a 45-degree angle, and you want some shadow in there. You know, you can see there's some shadow down here, some shadow right here, and then it's lighter on one side. So anyway, that's how it was done. Let me show you the actual behind the scenes, and you can see where the lights were set up. Now, as far as the power goes, last thing, the power of each one of these lights, the back two are twice as powerful as the front light. So if these are at 100% each, then the front light is going to be right around 50%. Okay, so that's sort of a general ratio for the lights. All right, guys, let's go to the behind the scenes. Not like this. Chin out a little bit. Good. Good. Chin out a little bit and down. Okay, now just do whatever pose you want that looks good. Good. Do another pose that looks good. Look this way. That. Look over here. Yeah. Actually, I like the other way. Look that one.
Good job, Nelly.
Good job, Nelly. Okay, so there you guys go. That is the lighting setup and some of the behind the scenes. So to follow along, I've included the assets inside of the intro video. So go to the intro video and you can download the assets below there. And basically, we're going to be going from that before image to this image right here. So it's pretty exciting stuff. A lot of effects, a lot of really cool things. But you can see here why I lit it in a specific way. So why you want a lot of rim light is because specifically for this image, there's a lot of light behind her, and you really want it to reflect what's actually happening. If you didn't have the rim light and you just shot with one light in the front, you wouldn't be able to create these really cool looks where you have these effects and everything's matching. So lighting always has to match the exact scene. So there you guys go. Can't wait for you to try out this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.